Welcome back. Here is how to set up Moniepoint payment links for your online sales. The thing is, this thing cannot be done on your mobile app. It can only be done through your browser or your mobile screen. So what you have to do is go to your browser or your Moniepoint business dashboard. After you have logged in with your credentials, you navigate to payment links. On your dashboard, you see menu, select menu and you click on payment, then click on payment links, then tap create payment link to open the setup form. You input the required payment information, including the amount, description and link title for your product or service. Set an expiration date or enable form fields to collect specific customer details like email or phone number. Then you click create link to finish. Copy the generated URL and share it to your direct customers through WhatsApp, email, social media to start receiving payments. That's how you do it to set up your Moniepoint payment links for your online sales. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.